King Kamsa sent Akrura to bring Lord Krishna from Brindavan to Mathura. When Krishna was leaving Brindavan, the gopis addressed Akrura thus: "Who has given you the name Akrura? You seem to be Krura, the cruel one, and not Akrura, the gentle one."
Radha said, "Oh, Krishna, you are leaving us in the same way people throw away their torn clothes. At least give me your flute in your memory." Krishna accordingly gave his flute to Radha. Radha played Krishna's flute to forbear Krishna's separation, thereby enabling the other gopis to hear Krishna's music. Thus Krishna never played his flute again after leaving gopis.